To fix a credit card payment on hold, it is essential to understand why the payment was put on hold in the first place. Credit card payments can be put on hold due to various reasons, including insufficient funds, suspicious activity, or incorrect payment information. The first step is to contact the credit card issuer to determine the reason for the hold. This can be done by calling the customer service number on the back of the credit card or through the issuer's website. When contacting the issuer, it is crucial to have the credit card information and payment details ready to facilitate a smooth and efficient resolution process. Once the reason for the hold is identified, the next step is to take corrective action. If the hold is due to insufficient funds, the cardholder can deposit more money into their account or use a different payment method. If the hold is due to suspicious activity, the cardholder may need to verify their identity and confirm the payment. It is also important to review the payment information to ensure it is accurate and up to date. This includes verifying the credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Additionally, cardholders should check their account for any pending transactions or holds that may be contributing to the issue. To avoid credit card payments being put on hold in the future, it is recommended to monitor account activity regularly, keep payment information up to date, and report any suspicious activity to the issuer immediately. Cardholders should also be aware of their account balance and available credit limit to avoid overdrafts and declined payments. By following these steps and taking proactive measures, cardholders can resolve credit card payments on hold and prevent similar issues from occurring in the future. It is essential to stay informed and take prompt action to minimize any disruption to financial transactions and maintain a healthy credit score.